Joe, I know that you were pretty pleased with Walmart's results. You look at Target, and the stock is up about 6.4% in pre-market trading right now. How much higher did expectations get for Target after Walmart's results?
Yeah, I think the expectation did creep a little higher. The consensus estimate for same-store sales was a 3, and I think people wanted to see something closer to a 3.5 after Walmart, and they just did that. They did a 3.4, and as you mentioned, they beat and raised on the EPS side. So very good results today. I think the market should be pleased with what they got out of Target.
Yeah, so beat and raise from Target, along with a beat and raise from Walmart. The big question here is how the trade war is going to affect Target's customers, which are a little bit more upscale than Walmart, a little less price sensitive than Walmart's customers. Does Target have the leverage over its suppliers that Walmart does?
Well, Walmart definitely has larger scale and purchasing power than Target does for sure. Target, it's interesting, has a little bit more exposure to home goods and apparel than Walmart does. Walmart definitely has a bigger grocery business. So that's what's going to have to be watched in the second half and into 2020. Definitely curious to hear what they say about tariffs on the call this morning when they do speak, because that's going to have a big impact. Just the mix of merchandise that they have. Now, a lot of it is private label, so they can usually manage with and negotiate with the vendors a little bit better, but still, the broader impact could be a little tougher for Target relative to Walmart on tariffs.
But, Joe, overall, does Target have the ability to charge more for some items, right? Because Walmart has focused so much on this always lower price tags, it would be more difficult for Walmart to raise prices than Target.
Yeah, no, I think that's fair. I do think that in this environment, that for any discounter, it's really challenging to raise prices, whether it's the dollar stores or the big broad discounters like Walmart and Target. But Target, for sure, may have a little bit more flexibility, just given their customer base and given that a lot of the product is private label and idiosyncratic to Target. You can only get it there. So if they adjust prices a little bit here and there, that's a little tougher for somebody out there like a Walmart maybe, because Walmart does lead with price, and they have this price perception that they are the lowest, and they need to do what they have to maintain that.
So how much better could they do on digital in terms of selling things not in their stores?
Well, I think the digital side of the business has been very good for Target, very good for Walmart. You're seeing a lot of improvement there. I think people mistake that, digital retail is always just Amazon, and it's not. A lot of growth is happening at Walmart, Target, Costco, Home Depot, Lowe's. I mean, a lot of the big box retailers are doing a very good job with their online businesses, and we would expect double-digit growth for a while from a lot of these guys. I think the pickup at the store is a big advantage, and that does help to drive sales and traffic.